Hi, hello. My name is Sandhya and I do easy and quick Indian recipes on this channel. Do check out my channel and if you like it, please do subscribe, like and share. Today's recipe is Palak chole, which is a good sabji to add to your weekly menu list. It's pretty easy to make because it's a one-pot dish. The detailed ingredients required for this dish is given in the description box below. Please do check it out. So let's have a look at the ingredients required to make this dish. I've got chole or chana, Kabuli chana, chickpea, whatever you want to call them, which I've soaked overnight. You can soak it overnight or for 5 to 6 hours. In here I've got a paste of 1 tomato and green chilli. I've got some chopped palak or spinach. In here I've got finely chopped onions, grated garlic and grated ginger, bay leaf and cardamom. I've also got some garam masala, coriander powder, red chilli powder and turmeric powder. Apart from this, we'll also need oil to cook this dish in and salt to taste. So let's start making the dish. I've placed a cooker on fire. We'll add around a tablespoon of oil into this. Once it's hot, let's add in the spinach. And we'll just saute them for a few minutes until they are tender. Spinach till it's soft and tender. Now we'll remove this into a bowl. I've placed the same cooker back on fire, added some oil, and once it's heated up, I've added the bay leaf and cardamom. Now we'll cook these until they give out their aroma. Now let's add in the finely chopped onion and the grated ginger and garlic. We'll cook all of this until the onions turn light brown. The onions have lightly browned. Now we'll add in the tomato and green chilli paste. Mix everything together and we'll add in all the masala powders, that's coriander powder, red chilli powder, turmeric powder and garam masala. Now we'll cook the masala and the tomatoes until the oil oozes out. So the masalas are cooked well now. Now we'll add in the chana or the chickpea along with the water in which it was soaking. If you think you need more water, you can add it at this stage. I think I'll add a little more water. Add a little more water. Now we'll add salt to taste. I've added the salt to taste. Let's just give this a mix and bring it to a boil. Water has come to a slight boil. Now let's close the pressure cooker. And we'll cook this for 2-3 whistles on high and then put it onto sim and cook for another 10-15 minutes. So the chickpeas have cooked nicely. I've opened the pressure cooker after all the pressure released and I've mashed a few chickpeas to make the gravy thicker. I've put the pan back on fire and now we'll add in the spinach which we had already sauteed and kept aside. Mix everything together. And cook this for another 2 minutes. Check for the salt and adjust it if you would like to. I've allowed it to cook for another 2 minutes and now the curry is ready. Let's switch off the gas. So that's Palak chole ready for you. You can serve this with some jeera rice or rotis or naan or any of the Indian breads. This can be a lunchbox recipe as well. Hope you liked today's recipe. If you did, please do try it at home and let me know in the comment section. Do not forget to subscribe, like and share. And when you subscribe, click the bell. Until I see you next time, bye-bye.